This is Dr. Betty Fellows, and this is an update. Earlier today, I showed you how we're gonna store that, and this is the projector. Yep, that is.
Let's see, buddy. Oh my yipers! Could you believe that this is an empty film reel surplus? What would you make of this?
I don't really know what to make of all this. This is happening so fast.
Wow, projector motion picture, sound, Telex Communications, Inc., part number, da-da-da-da-da, serial number 0227. Are these the original instructions?
I think. I don't know. You open
Buddy.
them up.
Ooh, this is a brand new sheet that goes over it. Wow. Wow. Do you know who gave us the best deal of a lifetime?
Steve Crams.
This is unbelievable.
I
People
can't-
don't know what a hidden secret this is now. You follow on that?
Yeah, because it's becoming so rare.
Yeah, so
To have
we should
these.
get probably a couple more of these, buddy. What do you say?
Yeah.
I'm just saying. I'm calling it out.
I mean, for the price, it's like $600
I'm calling it out.
for this like whole bundle that goes along with it.
And it's all brand new.
Yeah.
It is all brand new. We could get one of these for the school. So that we can.
Look, it looks completely untouched because that's what it is.
This is unbelievable. Steve is. This is remarkable, buddy. Okay. This would be super fired up on this, that this would just blow away, and he would start collecting the stuff also and selling it out of his little shop.
Who? Armando?
Yeah. Ballsy.
Yeah, because it would be about the size of a showing screen.
You porcupine, come on, press my pants. I want to look at berries when I go into the movies. Hurry up.
The speed was a little sped up, and luckily there was a control option, so we ended up just taking it to its normal speed. We thought that this was just something that happened with prints, but no, it was on the wrong speed. So as you can see in a second, the clip is not as fast, and they actually sound.
That's swell. That's
Well, don't move now. What are you doing? Working for a newspaper ad? Ryan. And those three guys, watch that tape. What time those New York executives arrived? Have you heard from them? No, sir. Not yet. Well, here we are. Oh, will I show these guys how to make pictures? Gentlemen! Welcome to Hollywood. I've been expecting you. Welcome. Welcome. I've received my instructions from New York. Gentlemen, the studio is yours. And I shall do everything within my power to help you make better pictures. How did you enjoy the trip across the continent? All the continent. Oh.
Pinchy, I think I'm dreaming. Shut up. That's important. Yeah? Santa Claus. Come on, what you want?
Gentlemen, will you join us in a toast?
I don't like toast. That black stuff gets in my teeth. Come on, I'll gouge your eyes out. Come on.
A little toast to your success.
Oh, Stony Pop! Think you can get it open? No, and how? I used to be a corker.
Here. Give me that.
Oh!
Marie, you may go. Come in.
Oh, my darling.
Sweetheart.
At last, a dreamy ride. I dreamed of the day that we could fly away from here together.
Hiya, fellas. This swine he said?
What? The very idea.
What is the meaning of all this? Who are you?
Hiya, Toots. That'll explain the whole thing.
Do you mind if I continue?
It's all right with me, but let's get going.
Action! Oh, my darling.
Sweetheart.
Cut. You ain't shooting the picture right.
Why, what's the matter with it?
There's no action. It was no good from the first kiss.
Kiss? What do you know about kisses?
Tell them what we know about kisses. That's enough. All right, now show these puppets how to put action behind their words. Get yourself all set now. Commence.
What's it?
Oh, my darling.
Sweetheart.
Oh, will you look at that swiney?
The name is Swinehart, please.
Yeah.
I dreamed of the day that we could fly away from here together.
Oh, I bet you tried to hold a girl. Quiet, Joe. Just the actions, no words. Go ahead.
Oh, but alas, we cannot. I have no money. Swine!
Yeah, swine, pig, it's all the same. Swinehard, big heart, pig heart, heartburn, who cares? We'll make it like that.
I quit!
You can't quit.
And why not?
Cause you're fired.
You can't fire him.
Why not?
He quit. Get up.
Oh, Edison, how are we going to finish this picture?
Now, don't worry about that. I'll direct the thing with stuff.
Well, you can count me out.
1, 2, 3, and 4 is 10. The winner.
You're out.
I'm through.
Well, you can get a new face from me. I'm through with this nonsense.
Now, where are we going to get a new face for her?
I got it. The face from the barroom floor.
Pick out 2 fingers.
1, 2.
Oh, is that a scene or is that a scene?
Yeah. And he loves me. He loves me not. Come in.
Darling, I have come for you. Sweetheart, come with me and fly away.
Oh, not that.
You're breaking my heart. Please, darling, please.
Oh, colossal, terrific. Oh, man, that was great. When the boss sees that scene, well, he go nuts. Here's a wire, sir.
Oh, thanks. Smith plane grounded account of fog. Stop. Will not arrive until tomorrow. Regards. This President. Yeah, well, 3 executives won't arrive until... Oh, say, who are those other 3 guys?
Oh, sir.
Call that gateman. Get all the gatemen. Come on.
I told you there's nothing to this picture racket. We'll show these Hollywood guys how to make pictures.
Like me. What'll we do now?
Think of something. Come on, use your head.
I threw them out once, boss. So did I. They tried to crash my gate, too. You'll have a chance to throw them out again.
I think our genius ain't appreciated here. Let's scram. Hey, let's hide in here. find us.
Certain you were safe in here.
Just like in our mother's arms.
What are you growling about?
I didn't growl. Not me.
Oh? Let me out. Let me out of here. Get out of here.
A couple weeks later, we bought a Woodpecker, the Barber of Seville film. We got that, and it ran pretty good, but the first time we ran it, the soundtrack was off, like, not that good, because we didn't put it through the projector the right way. And then my dad was like, oh, why is this happening? So, like, like, live when the film was running, he, like, adjusted a bunch of, like, I don't know, like, a bunch of levers and stuff, and then that just, like, screwed up the sprocket holes on the film, all the perforations, like, for a solid, like, 40 seconds of the film. I don't really run it that much, but I took a video before, like, that was probably, like, one of the last times I ran it. We still have it, but I just prefer to stay away from it. It's not that good of a film because, like, you have to stop it every single time you want it correct.
Interesting. Very interesting. What's this? Need a haircut? Come in. We'll give you a good trimming. Yeah, and I'll bet you ain't kidding either. The pip-pip with a drip-drip. The rinky-dink with a stinky-kink. A victory haircut. What can I lose with a victory?
And finally here, this has almost been a 30-minute video. Probably 30 minutes, actually. This one is a Heckle and Jeckle cartoon that we got for a steal on an auction. It was only $41. The color on this is excellent. There's no exaggerated colors. And we have a slight suspicion that the Terry Toons channel might have restored our film because of a marked spot that's just on the end of the film. The last, like, 2 seconds. You'll see it in the top right corner. It's just a little red spot, but that just... there's a lot of possibilities for that. Well, here it is. Also, sorry about the recording on this because I filmed it off of my phone and I'm editing this video on my iPad, so it's just like you'll see the, like, slight delay between, like, the iPad and stuff. The like, it might just, like, blend in a little bit with, like, incorrect colors because of my iPad.
fortune on this idea. Yeah, chum. I don't see how it can miss. No one's ever tried it before. Oh, we're in luck. The guard is sound asleep. All right, boys. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Step right this way. See the greatest little gadget ever invented. Selling today only for the bargain price of not $3, not $2, but the small sum of one single $5 bill. It's that handy little dandy, the surefire pneumatic drill. With this instrument, you can work your way out of any situation. Just press gently against any obstacle and presto. In no time at all, you're on the other side.
What's going on around here?
Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. With each and every purchase, you will receive absolutely free this little gem pocket file, plus one size 7 hacksaw.
Break it up! Break it up! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me that file! A couple of wise guys.
I say, he's a nosy fellow. Yeah, what we need here is a little more privacy. Mice? Yeah, mice.
Oh, pardon me. Mice? Oh, police! Oh, police! Wait a minute. I'm a policeman.
We've got to get out of here some way. Maybe this will do the trick. Step right up and try your luck. Hit the bullseye and win a cigar. 3 shots for 1 thin dime.
Listen, you guys. I'll take 3 shots for nothing.
Congratulations, and the gentleman wins his cigar.
sledgehammer, but I'm gonna give you two.